Welcome back to Reviews Inside TV, where we bring you the details on everything you need to make informed decisions. Today, we're looking at a vacuum cleaner that's perfect for those who are serious about both performance and convenience. Meet the Miele Complete C3 Calima Bagged Canister Vacuum Cleaner, a model designed to tackle low to medium pile carpet and smooth floors with ease, all wrapped up in a bold curry yellow finish. With its Turbobrush for carpets and Parquet floorhead for smooth surfaces, it's ready to show what it's got. Let's see if it's the vacuum that's going to make your cleaning routine easier and more efficient. This bagged canister vacuum from Miele offers a powerful and quiet cleaning experience. Its Turbobrush is ideal for lifting dirt and dust from carpets, while the Parquet Twister floorhead takes care of smooth floors without scratching or damaging delicate surfaces. One of the standout features of the Miele Complete C3 Calima is its HEPA lifetime filter, which ensures that up to 99.999% of fine dust and allergens are captured, making it a great choice for allergy sufferers or anyone sensitive to airborne particles. This type of filtration is particularly beneficial for those living in homes with pets, or for those who just want to maintain a cleaner, healthier environment. It's a relief knowing that such a high level of air hygiene is guaranteed with every use. When it comes to user-friendly features, the Miele Complete C3 Calima has convenience built in. The comfort handle is designed for comfort during use, and the one-touch cord rewind function makes storage a breeze, especially after a long cleaning session. No more bending over to wind up the cord, just a quick press of a button and you're done. Speaking of convenience, the foot switches allow you to control the vacuum while staying standing. This is especially helpful for those of us who don't want to constantly bend down while cleaning, reducing the risk of back strain over time. In terms of versatility, the Miele Complete C3 Calima comes equipped with a Turbobrush floorhead, a Parquet Twister for smooth floors, a dusting brush, an upholstery nozzle, and a crevice nozzle. All these accessories are conveniently stored in the vacuum itself, so you won't be scrambling to find what you need when it's time to clean upholstery or tight corners. The included accessories offer a comprehensive cleaning experience for various surfaces and spaces in your home, making this vacuum highly adaptable. So, how does it perform in real-world use? Let's talk about assembly and setup first. It's relatively easy to get started with the Miele Complete C3 Calima. Once you attach the hose and the appropriate floorhead, you're ready to go. When I tested it on a mix of low and medium pile carpets, the Turbobrush did a solid job of lifting embedded dirt and pet hair without getting clogged or losing suction. It didn't miss a beat when transitioning between carpet and hard floors, and the Parquet Twister was smooth and effective, gliding across my hardwood surfaces without leaving streaks or scratches. On stairs, the lightweight build and ergonomic handle make it easy to maneuver, and the crevice nozzle was perfect for those tricky corners. However, it's not without its flaws. While it's quiet compared to other vacuums, it's not entirely silent, and it could be a bit of a nuisance if you need to use it in a shared space during quiet hours. Also, when it comes to pet hair, the Turbobrush does a good job, but it's not as aggressive as some other vacuums designed specifically for pet owners. You might find yourself needing to go over a spot more than once to fully remove stubborn pet hair, especially in higher traffic areas. The suction power is strong, but if you're looking for a vacuum that excels on deep pile carpets, you may want to consider other options with stronger motorized heads. The real highlight of the Miele Complete C3 Calima, though, is its filtration system. The HEPA lifetime filter is a game changer for anyone who suffers from allergies or has concerns about dust in their home. It works diligently to trap microscopic particles so you can breathe easy, even during allergy season. The bag itself also holds a generous amount of debris, meaning you won't have to empty it as frequently. As for the value proposition, it's important to weigh how this vacuum stacks up against others in its price range. In terms of build quality and filtration, the Miele Complete C3 Calima is hard to beat. Miele vacuums are known for their durability, and the long-term reliability of this model seems promising, especially when you consider that the HEPA filter is designed to last the life of the vacuum. However, when you compare it to other vacuums in the same category, like the Dyson Ball Multi-Floor or the Shark Navigator Lift-Away, you may find that Miele's price point is a bit higher. That said, the superior filtration and the premium feel of the vacuum justify the price if these features align with your cleaning needs. Comparing this vacuum to some of the competition, the Dyson Ball Multi-Floor is another solid option in the bagged vacuum market, but it doesn't come with the same level of filtration that the Miele does. While the Dyson has slightly better suction power overall, the Miele's quiet operation and the HEPA filter make it a better choice for allergy sufferers. The Shark Navigator Lift-Away, on the other hand, offers great value for money, but doesn't quite match the Miele's build quality or filtration level, making the Miele a better long-term investment for anyone serious about air quality and cleanliness. Looking at the build quality, Miele consistently delivers vacuums that feel sturdy and well-constructed. The plastic feels durable, and the joints and connections hold up well under normal use. The design is sleek, and while it's a little bulky compared to some other models, its maneuverability and ease of use make up for it. Maintenance is fairly simple. Cleaning the filter is a breeze, and emptying the bag is mess-free. The brush roll can sometimes get tangled with long hair, so you'll need to make sure to clean that out regularly to keep it functioning at its best. In terms of longevity, Miele has built a reputation for durable appliances, and the complete C3 Calima follows suit. It's a vacuum you can expect to last for many years with proper care, and given the overall premium feel, it's a good investment for anyone looking for reliability. Now, when it comes to customer support, Miele has always been highly regarded for its after-sales service. Their team is responsive, and they offer solid warranties, which adds peace of mind to your purchase. However, I didn't personally have to reach out to them for any issues, so I'm relying on the company's general reputation for handling support matters well. In summary, the Miele Complete C3 Calima is a well-rounded bag canister vacuum that excels in filtration and overall cleaning performance. It's quiet, easy to use, and comes with a solid set of accessories. Its strengths lie in its air hygiene and versatility, especially for people with allergies or those in need of a vacuum that can handle both carpets and hard floors. While it's not the absolute best in terms of pet hair removal or suction on deep carpets, it remains a strong contender for those seeking a quiet, efficient, and long-lasting cleaning solution. Thanks for watching. If you want to pick up the Miele Complete C3 Calima for yourself, check out the link in the comments box below. Have you tried it yet, or are you on the hunt for a new vacuum? Leave your thoughts or questions down there. We'd love to hear from you. Goodbye till next time. And remember, no mess is too tough when you've got the right tools in your corner. Right here on Reviews Inside TV.